Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up DOOGEE DK10 for a senior person. To do this, all you have to do is find an app that is pre-installed on this device. It's called Easy Launcher. There's an icon for it right here. Click on the icon and your phone will instantly enter this mode, which makes it easier to access for all of the senior person or anyone that needs more accessibility. As you can see, icons for everything are much bigger. You can see the contacts on the left and then add any apps right here on the right by clicking on the add button. Then we can find the settings. Inside they are, as you can see, limited. We can also enable a safe lock, which will secure it even more. If you want to access those settings, click on the system settings and you will find the normal settings tab. If you want to leave this mode, click on exit to desktop, and as you can see, we just left that easy launcher mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.